What's the meaning of adjure? Adjure. 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 Adjure means to solemnly urge someone to do something or to give up certain actions. The term also carries the connotation of making a serious appeal or request, often in the context of religious or spiritual matters. When someone is adjured, they are being asked to comply with a specific demand or set of expectations. The result of being adjured can vary depending on the circumstances, but it often involves a sense of obligation or duty to fulfill the request made of them. In some cases, failing to comply with an adjuration can carry serious consequences such as legal penalties or social ostracism.